Hey everyone, in this video we are going to understand tree traversal. Means we have to traverse a tree and print the inorder, preorder, postorder in one traversal. So this is a binary tree, and as you know, the binary tree contains either 0 or 2 nodes. So let's assume there are 2 nodes here so that the explanation become easy. Now, as I have told you before in the previous video, what is preorder, inorder and postorder. If you have not checked out that video, go check it out. Link in the description. So to print the preorder, inorder and postorder in one traversal, there is a simple trick. Like we are checking from the root node, and if the node traverses one time, then it will be preorder. If the node visits 2 times, it will be inorder, and if the node visits 3 times, then it will be postorder. So we start from the 4 and we move forward from left to right. Like we have to return back to this position. So as we have traversed 4 and it is 1 time, so we write it in preorder. Again then we traverse more. We got 2, we write it in preorder. Then we traverse more. There is 1, we write it in preorder. And after that, as I am traversing, there is 1 2 times. Like once we visited here and once we visited here. So as I have told you before that if the node visit 2 times, so I write it in order. Traverse again, it will be 3 times, like 1, 2 and 3. So it goes in post order. Again visit, then we check that there is 2, which is 2 times, so it will be written in order. Again traverse 3, it is traversed 1 time, so I will write it in preorder. Again traverse 1 2, so the 2 will be here, 3 will be here because it is 2 times. Again traverse 1 2 3, so it will be in the post order. Again traverse, we visited 2 thrice, once, second time and the 3, so it will be preorder, post order. Again traverse, we visit 4, which is 2 times, 1 time, 2 times, so it will be in preorder, in order. Again traverse 6 1 time, so preorder. Again traverse 5 1 time, again preorder. Again traverse 5 1 time 2 time, in order. Five 1 2 3, so in the post order. Again 6 1 2 in the preorder. Again traverse 7, so first time, so it will be in the preorder. Again traverse, so it will be 1 time 2 time, it will be in the in order. Again traverse, so 1 time 2 time 3 time in the post order. Again traverse 6 1 time 2 time 3 time, it will be in the post order. Again traverse 1 time 2 time 3 time, so it will be in the post order. And that's it. Like we are at the root from the left to the right. So this will be our result, and we have print the pre-order, in order, and the post order in one traversal. And there is one important thing that I have told you in the previous video. If applied to a binary search tree, it returns element in sorted order. That will be in order. And as you can see, the in order is sorted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is sorted. And the binary search tree is the tree in which the left is smaller and the right is greater. Now let me start with the code explanation. I have already written the complete code beforehand so that we can focus more on the logic and keep the video short and easy to understand. So first of all, we are creating three vectors, that is pre-order, in-order and the post-order. These vectors will store all three traversals. After that, if the root is null, we simply return an empty answer. Now the important part is this stack. Inside a stack, we are storing node and the state. Here node means the current tree node and the state tells us how many times that node has been visited. That means if the state is 1, then it is first visit. If the state is 2, it is second visit. And if the state is 3, then it is third visit. So initially we push root and the 1, meaning root node is being visited for the first time. Now let's move inside the while loop. As long as stack is not empty, we take the top element. Now if state becomes 1, this means preorder position, because in preorder root comes first. So we add the node into preorder vector. Then we increment the state from 1 to 2, push the node again and move to the left child. Why push again? Because after completing the left subtree, we need to come back to the same node for Inorder Traversal. Now when the same node comes again with state 2, this means left subtree is already completed. So now this is inordered position. We add the node into inorder vector, again increase state from 2 to 3, push it back and now move to the right subtree. Finally, when the node comes with state 3, that means both left and right subtree are completed. So now this becomes Postorder Traversal position. We simply add it into postorder vector, and this entire process keeps repeating for every node in the tree. And at the end, we return all three traversals together. The space complexity of this program is big O of n, and the time complexity is also big O of n. As we are pushing the values and the popping the values 3 times, and we are pushing the values in stack for the pre-order, in-order and the post-order. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.